Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing for topbox for the month of December. I don't think I loaded up one for last month because I got it awfully late with the strike. I also got a prive box and it had the Laneige foundation, which I had asked for the previous month. They also had a $10 add-on, which was the Glam Glow Water Burst, a full-size one, and it was a great box. I was really enjoying last month. This month I decided to ask for a different prive box, and I ended up getting it, which was really nice. If you want to sign up, my link is below. Topbox is a Canadian company. It's $12 plus taxes, no shipping. They take out the payment on the 20th of the month, and then the following month they ship out on the 15th. Or they ship out before the 15th, so you get the box around the 15th to the 16th. Every other month they do a $10 add-on, which is a surprise. You don't know what it is until you get until, like, you know, people start getting it or you get it yourself. I find that it's a hit and a miss. They've had some really great items, including like a $60 face mask, which I got a couple of. What else? The Glam Glow one, and a few other things. And then, like, there's been blushes that I didn't like, but I mean, for $10, I mean, it's definitely a hit or miss. Let's get to unboxing this. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll try my best to answer them. So you get, so with the prive boxes, I should explain, you get an email about the 26th, 27th of the month before, and it'll show you what's in the boxes. So they had this one, they had before 5 ones. One was a masquerade box, so it had just masks in it. You can choose that one, or you can choose the regular box, and the regular boxes usually come with 4 or 5 items, mostly sample sizes. With the prive though, you're not guaranteed them, so you don't know if you're getting them until you usually get an email saying, yeah, you've gotten it, or it shows up in your mail. It's such a hit and miss whether you get it or not. But the one I chose was the Elizabeth Arden, and I got the ceramide capsules. So there's enough in there. It's not like a huge thing. So I paid $12 for this. So then I got the Super Start Skin Renewal Booster, and then the Prive Anti-Aging Intensive Eye Repair Serum. So let's see here. Such a huge box, such a tiny sample. But with the eye stuff, you don't need a whole lot. Seriously, the packaging doesn't need to be that big. As well as Always Red from, I have so many perfume samples. I need to start wearing perfume more. Ooh, that's kind of powerful. It's very floral. I like it though. So then I also did the $10 add-on this month, and I got the Sheer Light Illuminator by Nude by Nature. Apparently this retails for about $30, so it's not too bad. Let's see here. I don't know how these seal these things. Oops. I haven't had a chance to open it up and investigate it. So let's see how big this is. Wow. Oh. So they've partnered up with Topbox here, and they've done quite a few things. They had a box with the foundation and setting powder and stuff. They also, Nude by Nature has been giving away a lot of samples. So I've got the foundation, I've tried the setting powder, the primer, and I really like them. I think this will come handy in the winter time. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of a nice glow. Or sorry, in the winter time, in the summertime when I am darker. Tend to wear a lot of sunscreen though in the winter, or in summer now, in the winter too as well, because I do laser treatment. So the lighter my skin, the better it is for the laser treatment. But that feels really, really nice on. I wonder, what does it say here? So just use fingertips to apply across the skin and until desired touch of radiance. Sorry, until the desired glow is achieved. I jumped lines there. So it's not too bad. That's quite a large bottle. I'm not sure I'll use it all, but I will definitely try. I might even actually use this like on your, like on the neck bone here, and that might be nice, especially if you're wearing something, you know, with no sleeves on it. So for $12, it's not bad, and then my $10 add-on. What did I do with my... So there's the items there. I don't mind this one so much. I know the Brivage stuff is really expensive. So, I mean, 20 bucks. This, you know, paid for this, or the value of this, and this, you know, it's not too bad. I didn't look up the values for everything for this because really, I'm sure the value is there. But yeah, so topbox is below. You can certainly check out the link and sign up for a month or two and see if you like it. I do get like a $5 coupon off of their one-of boxes. It's on Topbox Collective. They'll have one-of boxes, which are really nice, so you know everything that's in the box except for the mystery boxes. And they're kind of nice to try. Yeah, so if you like my videos, hit subscribe, and I will hopefully see you guys soon. Thanks.